Are you having trouble with your Apple Pay wallet? Don't worry. Today I will guide you through the steps to reset your Apple Pay and get it work smoothly again. Let's dive in. Opening. Welcome back to our channel. If you have been facing issues with Apple Pay, you're not alone. Sometimes a simple reset can do wonders. Whether your transactions are declining or your wallet is not displaying cards correctly, we'll cover everything you need to know to reset your Apple Pay wallet effectively. Here's how to reset your Apple Pay in just few easy steps. Access settings. Open the settings app on your iPhone. Navigate to Wallet and Apple Pay. Scroll down and select Wallet and Apple Pay. Remove cards. Choose the card that's causing issues. Scroll to the bottom and tap Remove Card. Confirm the action. Re-add your card. After removing, go back to the main wallet page, tap the plus sign and follow the prompts to add your card again. Reset network settings if needed. If problem persists, consider resetting your network settings. Go to Settings, General, Reset, Reset Network Settings. This won't erase your data, but will clear reset networks and VPN settings. Check with your bank. Ensure your card is enabled for Apple Pay by contacting your bank or checking through their app. Visit an Apple store. If all else fails, don't hesitate to visit an Apple store for expert assistance. And there you have it. Resetting your Apple Pay wallet can resolve many common issues quickly. If this video helped you on, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Got questions or other topics you'd like to us cover? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.